Hey guys, what's up? So you're welcome back to my channel, and you're welcome back to today's video. Yeah, now in today's video I want to show you a great remedy that would actually help you to minimize buying a lot of cream and considering the natural way, and then how this is going to help your skin a whole lot. It's going to help to nourish you from the inside out, basically. Okay, all right, and it's going to help to give you that flawless skin. Yeah, so do not forget to thumbs up the video and also subscribe. Yeah, and I'm gonna be using carrots. You can actually use as much carrot as you want, okay, but I'm gonna be using just one piece of carrot in this particular one. Okay, so I've actually already washed my carrot, and now I've peeled it off to remove any dirt that is behind. What you do next is that you're going to be cutting it. Now, carrot contains a whole lot of ingredients that actually helps your skin glow. It increases the vitamin C in your body, therefore making your skin lighter, fresher, and younger equally. Alright, so after doing that, what I'll do, I'm gonna be grabbing a blender. Since I have a small blender, so I'm gonna be doing it bit by bit. We're not gonna be using too much of ingredients in this particular drink, just 3 ingredients, so do not worry. Just 3 ingredients is what we are going to be needing. And then also the next ingredient we are going to be needing is orange. Now you know that orange contains a lot of vitamin C. It helps to nourish out the skin, and it helps to maintain the skin youthfulness. It helps to make the skin look really plump, and it also helps to give you that younger look. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to grab my orange, and then you can use as much orange as you want, guys. For me, I'm actually going to be using only 1 orange for this because I'm actually not going to be taking too much of it. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to be using an orange extractor to do this so that it will be easier for me. Yeah, orange helps to maintain the skin, and it helps to actually keep the skin moisturized. It makes the skin actually rejuvenate, and it also helps to reduce all fine lines. So if you're actually used to, if you cultivate the habit of using orange a whole lot, it's gonna give your skin the nutrients you require. Okay, so I'm gonna be squeezing as much orange as I can. You have to squeeze it, you have to get as much orange as you can for this remedy. Yeah, okay. Alright, so after that, I'm going to be turning in the orange into the carrot juice. Okay, on a second thought, guys, I actually removed the orange juice because I'm going to be putting it last. So the very third ingredient that will make this particular drink complete is tomato. Have you actually tried tomato juice, like drinking raw tomato before? wow, it does a whole lot of good stuff on the skin. Like, it helps to nourish up your skin, it helps to make your skin smooth, and it equally helps to brighten up your skin from within. Okay, so you're going to be glowing even without applying any cream or whatsoever. So I've actually already washed this tomato. All right, now it's just left for me to blend it. So I'm going to be putting the tomato plus the carrot juice together, and then I'll be putting in water. And then we're going to blend it. Wow. Alright guys, so after that is done, I actually get my bowl and then get my strainer. So I'm gonna strain this juice. Now, to some of you guys that actually like taking juice with the fiber, it's totally up to you guys to try it. Okay, you can actually take it plus the fiber. It is still, in fact, it is even more nourishing. Yeah, and it's gonna actually help to fill you up so that you would not, you know, be hungry for food quickly, and by that way, you know, you're gonna feel very full. So get a glass and then turn this juice in. Guys, so after that is done, we're going to be putting in the orange juice, and after that stir it all up, and then voila, here you have your juice prepared and ready. Okay guys, so here is my juice. Now for this particular juice guys, you have to, you know, take it for at least 5 times in a week. Like every day, it's something that even if you want to take every day, you have to take this every day, and it's going to help to nourish out your skin, and it's going to help to, you know, actually make your skin look smooth. Okay, so you can actually store it. Okay, you make it and store it, and it's going to be very, very helpful for you, and it's going to help your skin pop out. Your skin is going to really, really glow, and it's going to be nourishing, and you're going to love it, yeah, when you try this out. So I'm going to be drinking this. Okay, yeah, it tastes great. Alright, this tastes really nice, and it does a whole lot of miracle on your skin and in your body. So go give this a go. and I'm sure you're going to be loving it. Yeah, it's gonna do a whole lot on your skin, and you're gonna be loving it. So you can drink it every day, you can refrigerate it, put it inside your fridge, and then you take it every day. It's going to nourish up your skin, it's going to make your skin pop, it's going to make your skin glow, and you would not be needing any further cream. Okay, so cheers.